Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Deputy Commissioner Ribhoi District, Ubreru District Collector lepen bana bakasor ka jela. Kasashim jakawan penhe eka Surok, kopenya so eka Surok ba ha Umroi Madan Shaduh Shillong Airport. Hagaji keram ikilar patai kubor, Deputy Commissioner layat ho, belakang persya akibat ba, ban shnai nugi Jingtei batamai, harut ke Surok bakasor ka kratmu, ban shim jaka, hapok pra poinsan mitar, nabro arliang Surok. Ulang ru balada kipat ba kitemu bentai ki nugi Jingtei kede benda pentip bat benda panjing betchwa na ka office Deputy Commissioner.
So as per directions received from Transport Department Government of Meghalaya, the government intends to acquire the land alongside the current PWD road in Umroi Madan village and link it to the airport for providing a safe and comfortable approach road for the airport. And so as per the directions received from Transport Department, we are releasing a order today wherein any new construction alongside that is stretch 8.5 meters on both sides of the central line. For any new construction, they'll have to approach district administration and seek prior approval. Any new structure which comes up after this will not be entertained for compensation unless it has been approved beforehand by the administration.